This time, I'm going to multiply 3, 2 times 2, 3 in base 4, this time using the standard algorithm. When we're doing the standard algorithm, we'll be doing both partial products, 3 times 2 and 3 times 3, 0, but we'll be doing them in one step and adding them together. So let's begin. We have 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. And we know that in base 4, 6 things could be made into one group of 4, or one group carried over to the next place value, with 2 remaining. Notice that it's the same action that we're doing in multiplication as we do in addition. The groups are what are carried over to the next place value, and what remains is what's placed down. 3 times 2 being 6, which is one group of 4 with 2 left over. 3 times 3 is 9. We have now 9 groups of 4s, plus one more, we have 10 4s. 10 things in the 4s place, of course, we'll need to regroup. Those 10 things, we can make 2 groups of 4, and there will be 2 things left over. So 3 times 3, 2, gives us 2, 2, 2 in base 4. It's a good idea, once you've used the amount that you carried, to cross it out so that you don't use it again by accident. In the next step, we'll be looking at multiplying 2, or really rather 2, 0. Since we're multiplying something in the 4's place by things in the 4's place and in the 1's place, we won't have anything in the 1's place. That's what the 0 being put down is for. It's because since we're now working in the 4's place, all of our products will be in the 4's place and further to the left. We won't have anything in the 1's place here. And we do the same process as before. 2 times 2 being 4, and 4 things we can make one group of 4, and there'll be nothing left over. 2 times 3 is 6, plus one more is 7, and if we have 7 things, we can make one group of 4, plus 3 things left over. And same thing as with partial products, we now need to add together these two, and we're adding in base 4 as before. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 and 3 is 5. From 5 things we can make one group of 4 with one thing left over, and 1 and 1 is 2. Notice that we get the same answer whether we're using the standard algorithm or whether we're using partial products. That's of course a great way to check your work. If your two answers don't agree, then one or potentially both of your work is incorrect.